welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a baby elephant whose name was Ellie. So let's see what happens to Ellie. Ellie, the baby elephant, was roaming here and there. She suddenly saw an engine. Ellie got very excited to see the engine. She stopped the engine driver, whose name was Edward. She gave him an envelope in which she kept an egg. At the same time, Eddie, the little emu, also came down eagerly. She gave him an eggplant, and they both requested Edward for a ride on the engine. They started the ride from the entrance till the end. They enjoyed the jolly ride, giggling. Finally, they saw the exit board and got down, thanking Edward, the engine driver. They didn't stop giggling till they reached back home. So now let us revise all the words starting with the sound which we discussed in the story. Before that, let me tell you that is the pet name, or you can say the sound of letter E. So let's start. Ellie, the elephant. Engine. Edward. Envelope. Egg. Eddie, the emu. Eggplant. Entrance. End. Enjoy. Exit. Now find out more words starting with E and write in the comment box. So this was my story for you to introduce the sound E. So let us do once again how the Ellie and emu giggled. So keep on giggling and stay happy, stay safe at home, and we will meet once again in another video with a new story. Till then, bye.